There's the vortex piece. I'm going to get the AY and put the AY tail into the vortex tail. Next I'll get the Hanayama tail and put it into the vortex tail. Now I'll grab the Hanayama and the AY, Hanayama and AY pieces. I want to put the AY tail into that Hanayama tail. Right here. After that, we want to get the vortex piece over the AY protrusion. Simply pull it over, like so. Now you'll notice I'm holding the Hanayama right here. Okay. Next, I need to get the AY dent here to fit into the Hanayama head. Right here. Okay. Hold the Hanayama piece here. Turn it sideways and you'll notice the AY protrusion. What you want is to put that on the other side of the Hanayama head. Like that. Once that's done, simply grab the AY piece. There's our AY. Next I'm going to grab the Hanayama piece and put the Hanayama head next to the AY protrusion here. The reason I do that is so there's a more clear path for the vortex dent here to fit into the AY head. Alright. Like so. Now the vortex tail is inside of the AY head. Once that is done, simply turn the whole thing around. Like so. You'll notice the vortex piece here. Next, a very important step here is to make sure that that AY protrusion is on the other side of the Hanayama head here. Simply put it over like that, okay? The reason I do that is so there is a clear path for the Hanayama tail to fit into the vortex head here. Right there. See that? Once that's in there, there's only one step left. That AY protrusion simply needs to come back through the Hanayama head here. Then you simply need to push it down. And everything comes together. Like so. Thanks for watching.